Rex called us on the phone. We were living in sort of poverty as students, and asked if he could meet with me. I had no idea who he was, other than he announced that he was putting together a law school at BYU. So he asked if I would meet him at the law school at the University of Utah, because he knew where that was. So I walked all the way across campus in my green coat and faded jeans and met Rex Lee. And he actually told me his ideas, the dream about this law school, walking around the University of Utah campus. So he really went out of his way to track me down. I was an engineering student at the University of Utah, trained in the sciences, very interested in staying in the sciences. And I turned down medical school and came. Monty Stewart was headed to Bolt Hall at Berkeley, one of the great law schools in America. He turned that down. My friend Bob Johnson was headed to the Harvard Business School. He turned that down. And these are just examples of people who changed their life's course because of Rex Lee in what then were probably very risky, scary ways. This was an unaccredited, non-existent law school we joined. In fact, Rex's wife told us a number of years ago that he used to pace the floor at night as it came closer to our graduation and the school was still not accredited. Rex had, more than any person I've ever met, the ability to weave together a tapestry, a vision of what the law school could be and why we were each important.